gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
Think the standard OPPO Reno 16 is boring? Wait until you see what's inside the box. First up, you get a transparent case. It's surprisingly sturdy, especially around the bottom, not one of those flimsy, soft cases. OPPO also includes an 80-watt USB-A fast charger right in the box.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
Now, the phone. The moment you pick it up, it feels compact. And honestly, that's one of its biggest strengths. It's comfortable, easy to hold, and great for one-handed use. Mine is the white Penglai Heartbeat version, and I absolutely love it. White phones just have a special charm. The glossy glass back is where things get interesting. Tilt it under the light, and you'll see a stunning 3D effect that looks like a floating planet beneath the surface. Look closer, and there's a fine shimmering texture near the bottom that gives it a premium feel. OPPO clearly put real effort into this design. In the top left corner sits a square camera module with a unibody cold carved design. You get 3 cameras, a 200-megapixel main camera with a 1.56-inch sensor and f1.8 aperture, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens below it, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the side. The frame uses aluminum alloy with flat edges. There's also a customizable shortcut button on the left. The phone weighs 193.7 grams with the screen protector installed and measures 8.2 millimeters thick. It's light, compact, and slips easily into any pocket. On the front, there's a 6.12-inch display with nearly symmetrical bezels on all sides. Even more impressive, this standard model packs a huge 6,700 mAh battery and supports IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K water and dust resistance. But here's the unexpected part. OPPO also introduced a fun accessory, a mini round display called the Trendy Selfie Screen, or what I like to call the little O screen. It has a white bezel, silver frame, and a cute biscuit-like design. On its right side is a power button, while the bottom features a USB-C port. Inside the package, you also get a transparent case and a star-shaped keychain. It's a small touch, but it's actually pretty cute. You can even attach the mini screen directly to the phone case. Pairing is quick. Once connected, a card pops up automatically on the phone. Swipe up from the bottom and the camera launches instantly. Both devices sync together. In photo mode, you can switch between 1x, 3.5x, and 0.6x zoom. Swipe right for video mode with the same zoom options. And honestly, this is where the little O screen becomes really fun. Attach it to the back of the phone, use the rear cameras for selfies, and suddenly your selfie quality gets a huge upgrade. Navigation is simple too. Swipe down from the top, or swipe left and right to return home. Pull down from the home screen to access the control center. Long press the home screen, and you can customize wallpapers and apps. It supports regular photos, live wallpapers, and videos up to 5 seconds long. The live wallpaper effect looks especially good. You can store up to 20 photos, live images, or videos at once, and they'll rotate automatically like a carousel. The app can save up to 30 different collections. There are also 5 virtual pets: Kiki, Haha, Mew, Popo, and Lala. Tell me, which one is your favorite? There's even a built-in theme store. And here's a fun twist. 3 recommended themes are unlocked through a gacha-style system, making customization surprisingly addictive. You can also adjust timeout settings and choose from 3 brightness levels. Press the power button to lock the screen. While locked, accidental touches are prevented. Slide to unlock, and you're right back at the home screen. So, what do you think about this little mini screen accessory? Gimmick or genuinely fun? Let me know below.